Alright guys, good morning. We had a break-even day today. I just don't like how the market's moving, so locked myself out. Um, so market opened right about here, and it was kind of chopping, and I didn't like anything. We didn't get anything over here, but we did end up sweeping these lows and these ones, and I entered this candle. It was huge, but I didn't mind it because it inversed both. So I did want to go to both those highs, but when we took this high out, I moved to break even, and ended up coming back down, breaking me out even. Uh, I did that partially because this candle wasn't even closed yet, so like a fair value gap wasn't formed, and my max loss anyway that I wanted to lose today was like in the fair value gap. So I was like, okay, I guess it doesn't hurt to go break even, because worst case, um, my stop would have been down here. So if it came and filled and stopped me out here, I would have had to risk way more if I wanted like this fair value gap to hold. But I was only searching for these highs. Um, these are kind of the trades I've been liking to take, just quick 1 to 1.5s. Um, but yeah, market wasn't really moving. This kind of looked nice, right here, this inverse. But I would have wanted it to see it down here. But this 1 hour, this is a 1 hour inverse. We inversed it right up here this morning. That um, it just held and rejected off that. So, and then this 4 hour price filled and rejected off too. So I'm just gonna get off for the chart today. I wanted to be bullish, but I don't see anything happening. Um, yeah, so break even day today. I'm gonna be taking trades on my XFA this week. I want to copy trade, um, but at the same time, I want to go a little heavier on my eval than I would on my XFA. So I think I'm just gonna copy trade and then add positions to this. But I need to see how all that works because I've never done it before. But yeah, break even day today. I mean, we lost $5, so it was break even. One trade, locked myself out, and yeah. Let's see tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow should be hopefully a good day. Not a lot of no red news. I think Wednesday should be fine. That's all later in the day. Thursday's alright. I mean, it should be a pretty good trading week this week. Um, but yeah, we'll just see what happens, and I'm gonna post every day for you guys to keep you updated. And yeah, I'll see you boys tomorrow.